welcome to another video. This is Eleni and today I'm going to play in my journal using Jane Davenport's Marzipan Twists that are water-soluble gel crayons and with her Power Pastels that are wax and oil crayons. And I will show you step by step how I draw and shade a whimsical face. So first I draw a circle that I divide in half both horizontally and vertically. Then I make these two small lines for the nose and the mouth. I draw two eyes on the horizontal line like this. They can be smaller or bigger, whatever you like. It is a whimsical face after all. I keep the eyebrows small, and for the nose I draw 3 circles, one big and 2 small ones like this, and then 3 circles for the mouth. And when I'm done, I erase all the lines I don't need to be visible. As for the neck, I sometimes do a long one and other times a shorter one. It totally depends on my mood. So play with all these features and find out what your preference is. The same goes for the hair. Put it a little higher than the face circle and do whatever hairstyle you like. Now for the shading, I use a blending stump and I shade around the eyes, down to the nose and under it, around the hairline and around the face line, a little shading under the mouth and in between the lips, under the chin and around the neck. I also like to shade the irises of the eyes. And that is it. Hope this made it easier for you to create your own whimsical faces, and for extra help I will also give you a free printable sketch of my girl so that you can use it as a template. Now I will paint her, and what I basically do is that I use darker colors where I previously did the shading and lighter colors where there weren't any shading. I also put white highlights on the nose, as you will see, on the chin, in the eyes and over the lips. Hope you liked my tutorial and my printable, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment under it, but also make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified about my new videos. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe and see you soon. Love and kisses.